Hi, this is Debbie and welcome to the Zingtree Wizard tutorial. I'm going to show you how to quickly create a tree using the Zingtree Wizard. This is going to be for a TV troubleshooter. To start, go to My Trees and then click Create New Tree. From here, you get different options for creating trees. We're going to choose the one for the Zingtree Wizard, and we're going to give our tree a name. We can also choose different display styles, either buttons or panels, and you can see an example of each on the right-hand side. From here, let's click Create Tree, then go to the wizard. Okay, now we're in the wizard. We can create our welcome page. Let's add some text to the content area. And we can also add an image as well, simply by copying and pasting Control+V for Windows or Command+V on a Mac. It's the easiest way to bring the image into your troubleshooter. Now let's add a question and insert some answer options as well. You can see the full preview of the node on the right-hand side. Now let's click Save and continue to go to the next step of the tree. As you go through the wizard, it finds any unfinished branch of the tree and prompts you for what to do next. So in this case, the TV turned on, so we're pretty much done. Let's offer a congratulatory solution. And continue. So here the TV didn't turn on, so we're going to try something else. Let's ask another question. Let's see if the TV is plugged in. And let's add another image to make it really easy. And now let's ask another question and some more answer options. So at this point, it looks like we have success. So again, we offer congratulations. And continue. And here it looks like our TV is broken. So let's ask them to send the TV back in for repair. And continue. Now this is the overview. Since we finished every single part of the tree, we've got a completely working tree from the wizard. You can preview your tree by clicking the orange preview button from any node. So here, is the TV turned on, yes or no? Is the TV plugged in? Yes, and that's how easy it is to build a troubleshooter using the Zingtree Wizard.